Hey Rivals, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. No, it's been so long since I last posted a video on this channel, but now I'm back, and I'm back for more unboxing. Okay, don't mind me, I look like so busuk right now because I just got home from campus, which memang busuk lah pun kan. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm saying because I'm like super excited. So, I ordered an album, but not a K-pop album, because we support local, and I'm feeling so bad right now, and that's the clue. Okay, itulah. I ordered a Dolla mini album, so we're going to unbox it. Walaupun I dah macam dapat banyak gila spoiler dekat TikTok kan, I macam lambat sikit lah dapat benda ni, tapi macam tak apa lah, janji sampai kan. Okay, so let's unbox it. Okay, so honestly, after I dah tengok kat TikTok, I can say that it's quite disappointing lah, because I expect dia punya album besar ke, I mean nama pun dah mini kan, I expect macam tebal sikit lah, tapi macam nipis gila and kecil gila. Tapi tak apa, it's way cheaper than a K-pop album anyway. So for PC, I hope I boleh dapat, I tak kisah pasal siapa sebenarnya, I suka semua, but me and my eldest brother, Abang Mirul, we are hoping, okay, never mind, I'm fine. We are hoping to get Angel, baby Angel for the PC. Oh, okay. Ini lagi nipis apa yang tengok kat TikTok. Tak apalah. Okay, so this is the album. Okay, this is Dolla mini album. Kat belakang dia ada tulis soundtrack, ada lagu Bad, ada lagu Dolla Make You Wanna, Impikan, Berani, Berani Akustik, Watch Me Glow, and also Bad in English, and bonus track Raya Raya Raya, since we're almost Raya. I mean almost puasa, but yeah. So this is the back part. This is the front part. It's very ringan. Okay, never mind. Let's continue unboxing. Ni kalau buka K-pop album macam ni, dah kena marah dah ni. Okay. Quite disappointing. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, tak ada apa-apa lagi. So, sini kecilnya. Here ada lyrics tau. Ada lyric and also the CD itself. Cantik. Okay. And then here ada dia punya details lah, siapa penerbit and also songwriters and so on. More lyrics. All of these are lyric cards. So now let's open to see the PC. Okay. Look at block. Okay, I'm gonna tarik this first. This is the photo book. See? I mean, the quality of the photo book pun macam, it's just normal papers, you know. But tak apa, kita still support local. Oh, I just realised it matches the theme. So this is the photo book. Oh, Shasha! So cantik. Oh, fun fact, Shasha is from MSU. And I am from MSU as well, so. Angel baby. Cantiknya. We have Sabronzo, the baddie. Wow, mommy. Okay. Next we have Debbie. Comel. Okay. Lagi last, kita ada the group photo. Yeah. So yeah, this is the quality of the photo book. I mean, they could do better, you know. Now the PC time. We're just gonna pull it. Kita balikkan. Okay. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. I pulled out Angel. I pulled out Angel. Congrats. Congrats, you have successfully put an Angel PC. Thank you for your support. I love you. And I got Angel punya signature. Oh my god. This is very exciting. I love it. Okay, ada satu je kan. Guys. So my wish come true. I pulled out an angel. She's so pretty. So, yeah. That's all actually. Tak banyak pun nak unbox sebab ini je yang ada. This is the CD, the photo book, and my baby angel. Ada PC. So, yeah. We support local and this is their first album and it's mini album. So, I won't say much but I just hope they will come out with more album with better quality, you know, like besar sikit and tebal sikit and more stuff inside. And the PC also better quality because ni macam just card, you know. It don't feel like PC macam K-pop album. And also the photo book. Yeah. So that's all. Alright, so that's all for today's video. It's very short, I know. It's just a quick unboxing, but I will try to come back with more videos, okay? I will try my best. But yeah, go watch my previous videos if you haven't. Go subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Be part of Arribas family because I love every single one of you. I love every single one of Arribas. And like this video, comment if you want me to do any challenge with anyone. I mean anyone yang I senang nak jumpa lah. You know, if you bagi nama artis famous, I cannot. But yeah, make sure to give a big thumbs up. Share this video to your friends, your family, your followers, to everyone. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. So, hope to see you guys again in another video. I was love you guys so much. Bye. Angel.